Hi everyone, my name is Dali and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to create a fully customizable running tracker using Excel or Google Sheets. In this running tracker we are using a simple table to log our runs and keep track of key details. Date, the day of your run, distance, how far you run either in miles or kilometers, start time, the time your run started, duration, the total time of your run in hours, minutes and seconds, temperature, the outside temperature during your run. You can use Fahrenheit or Celsius depending on your preferences. Weather. This is a drop-down menu where you can choose conditions like sunny, cloudy, rainy, snowy or windy. It helps you see how weather affects your performance. Pace. Another drop-down where you can categorize the intensity of your run, slow, steady, tempo, threshold or interval. Notes, an open field where you can write anything you want, how you felt, who you ran with or any personal observations. And now first let's fill this table with some data. The simple running tracker helps you stay consistent, reflect on your progress and understand how different conditions affect your runs. It's easy to use and fully customizable, so you can focus on what matters most, your running journey. That will be all. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe for more practical Excel tools. Ciao!